Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials in order. Make sure the Ps5 system software is current, because haptic features rely on the latest firmware. Once done, plug the DualSense into the console with a USB-C cable so the console recognizes it and can apply settings immediately. You should also confirm the controller has sufficient battery. Charge above 20%, then press the PS button to wake it. These steps prevent connectivity or update blocks before you enable haptics. Now navigate to Settings, then Accessories, then Controllers. This is where the haptic controls live. You toggle haptic feedback on and choose a vibration intensity between 1 and 5 to match your preference. Higher increases motor strength, lower conserves battery. Make sure Adaptive Triggers is enabled if you need variable resistance on L2/R2. It's a distinct feature, but related to tactile immersion. After adjusting, test in a game that supports DualSense features so you can feel the difference immediately. Finish by launching a PS5 title with DualSense support to verify haptics and adaptive triggers behave as expected. This confirms the settings took effect. If you still get no vibration, power down and try a quick controller reset with the small button on the back. Hold 3 to 5 seconds. Then reconnect via USB. If problems persist, make sure the console finished its system update. And as a last resort, rebuild the database from safe mode to resolve software conflicts that can block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.